How to trade stars on Monopoly Go. First, you have to open or launch your Monopoly Go application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application or your Monopoly Go application is up to date. To locate your stickers, all you have to do is to click this album icon that is beside friends. Now take note that in Monopoly Go, you can give a sticker that the other player already has to send them stars. This duplicate transforms into stars with a quantity based on the sticker's star value. Since direct star transfers are not possible in Monopoly Go, trading stars essentially entails sending stickers in their place. For instance, this Goodwill sticker has these two stars. So I want to send a star to my friend. All I have to do is to click this one, and once you click this, then you can probably send this to your friend. So even if they have the sticker, but you want to send a star, then you need to send a sticker too. And to trade that, you can ask them to give you or send you another sticker also with a star as a trade to this sticker or star that you have sent to them. As easy as that. So whichever sticker you send will be extra for them, automatically converting into stars and successfully completing your trade. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.